Hello everyone, Kian is back with another vlog, and guys, please subscribe and click the notification bell and give a big thumbs up. And guys, please follow to my Instagram page. I posted some fun videos, so yeah. And also follow to my TikTok account. I posted very nice video there. Please follow me there. And yeah. And guys, today I'm going to get my cat to get a shower and cut the hair and nails, everything. So yeah, see you guys there. Bye. Okay guys, I came to wash my cat here. Look, my cat, wow. Oh my god, I'm waiting for my cat to be washed. They make her clean, and I'm very scared because of this stupid coronavirus. And I will see you guys when she finish showering. She will go to make some to clean, to remove the water. So see you guys there. Bye. Okay guys, here we are removing the water and to not make her to be sick, to cough, do everything else. And I'll see you guys when they're going to cut her hair. So yeah, see you guys there. Bye. Okay, over here we're cutting her hair. It's on number 9 and it's very nice, and I hope she like it. And we cut the nails also. Wow. So I'll see you guys when I reach back home. Peace out. Alright guys, right now I'm back from the place of this for my cat. I'm sorry I'm wearing mask because I'm scared from this stupid coronavirus. And yeah, I'm finally back home, so yeah, I'm waiting for the iftar timing. So yeah, see you guys there for the food. I'll show you guys very nice food today we make. Okay guys, I hope you guys like it, and as always, Kian is out. Bye.